That'd be lovely. That's it. If you sit on your bottoms, do you want to come in a bit? That's it. You all right? You're going to make another line. Hello. You can say hello. You've all gone quiet, haven't you? Hello. Hello. I spoke to you earlier, didn't I? Yeah. Fantastic. Is everybody in?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Am I here?
Yeah.
That's good. Now, I better tell you my name. Esmeralda. No, it's not. Charlie. It's Gina. Can you all say good afternoon, Gina? Good afternoon, everybody. Now, do you know what we're going to talk about this afternoon? What we're going to talk about?
Looking at our teeth.
I am. We're going to talk about your teeth. Have you all got teeth?
Yeah.
Have you up your nose?
In your mouth.
They're not. They're in your ears.
No.
In your shoes.
No.
Where are they?
In your mouth.
Well, I can't see yours. Oh, there they are. Beautiful. Oh, you're lucky you've got some teeth. I haven't got any teeth.
Yes, you are.
I haven't.
Yes, you are. You wipe it.
Where are they?
They're in your mouth.
I can see my fingers.
That in your mouth. And you can't see your mouth.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
If I want to look at my teeth, what would I need to use?
A mirror.
I may have one. Let me have a look. I'll have a look, shall I? Are you ready? No, I haven't got any. What you have to do I have to pull a face?
No. Yeah.
Okay, just one moment. Oh, I have!
Told you.
That's good, isn't it? 'Cause actually, if you look in a mirror, you can see your teeth.
I can't.
Can you see your teeth? So, if we've got teeth, I wonder why. Why have we got our teeth? What do we use them for? I wonder.
Eating.
Who likes eating?
I like ice cream.
Do you?
I like ice cream.
I know what we'll do. We'll pretend that we're going to eat something, but we'll actually have something that's really, really good for our teeth. So we're going to eat a crunchy apple. So hold an apple in your hand, and we're going to use our front teeth, and we're going to bite it first. Are you ready? Steady, go. And then you chew it up with your back teeth, like that. And then you swallow it. And then your tummy says, oh, thank you very much. Well, mine does. Do you want to have another bite?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. So you chomp it up. Swallow it. Thank you very much. So we use our teeth for eating, which is brilliant. And we use our teeth. What's Gina's mouth doing that you can hear? What's my mouth doing?
Looking.
Nearly. You're nearly right. What's it doing that you can hear? What's my mouth? My teeth are helping me to do it.
You talk.
Yeah. Who likes talking?
Me.
Right. If you all say chatter, 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 you'll use your teeth. Are you ready? When I count to 3, you've got to do chatter, chatter, chatter. 1, 2, 3.
Chatter, chatter, chatter.
See, you're just chatterboxes, aren't you? So we use our teeth for eating, we use them for talking, but we use them for something really nice. I'm gonna just wait. Are you ready? This is a bit funny. Are you ready?
I just saw it. A toothbrush.
Not quite. It's a special something. Something our teeth help us to look good when we do
Is it a
this.
special toothbrush? Oh, brush your teeth.
No? Do you want to have a look?
Yeah.
How many do we want to count to?
3.
5. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smiling, that's right. Now, you don't need a piece of paper to do some smiling, but because it's, what day is it today? Is it Tuesday? Well, Tuesday afternoons are special smile afternoons. So what you've got to do is you've got to do the best smile ever. So when I count to 2, you've got to do a big smile. Ready, steady, go. 1, 2. And then you've got to share it with somebody. So show somebody your lovely smiles. Fantastic. Does it make you feel better when you're smiling? Lovely. You see, if I'd have walked in here today and gone, hello. You know, she's a bit grumpy, but because I'm smiling, I think, oh, she's all right. And if you smile at me, I think, oh, that's lovely. So it makes me feel like I'm really happy to be here. So now we know why we've got teeth. We're eating, talking and smiling. How do you keep your teeth happy? What do you have to do to keep your teeth really happy? Do you have to brush them?
Yeah. With toothpaste.
Fantastic.
And the toothbrush. And it's special.
Really? Is that good?
Yeah.
Do you have to do it every day?
Yeah. And all day.
What? Who do you go and visit that helps you to look after your teeth? Go on then.
Dentist.
The dentist. Now, who's been to the dentist? What do you sit on when you go to the dentist?
A chair.
A chair. What does the chair do?
It falls backwards.
Does it? Does it spin you round and round?
No.
Does it shoot you through the ceiling? It goes up a bit and it goes back a bit. So let's pretend that we're all on the dentist chair. So climb on the dentist chair and then we're going to press a button at the side. Are you ready? Beep. And it goes up a bit. Are you ready? And then press another button. Beep. And then it goes back a bit. And then you've got to open your mouth really wide. You do look funny from here. And then the dentist counts how many teeth you've got. Then you can close your mouth, press the button, beep. Up you come, down you go. What does the dentist sometimes give you to say thank you for coming? What does he give you? I don't know. What, a sticker! Who likes stickers? See, what you've got to do at the dentist is sit on a chair and open your mouth. Brilliant. So, we're going to visit the dentist, we're going to brush our teeth. What should we be a bit careful about eating and drinking that's not good for our teeth? It makes our teeth a bit sad. What's going to make our teeth a bit sad? Does anybody know?
If you cut in onions, it will make you cry.
And it does sometimes. Does anybody know what we've got to be a bit careful about eating that's not make our teeth a bit grumpy? Does anybody know?
No.
No? Do you want me to tell you?
Yes.
It's things that you eat and things that you drink that have got sugar in. So you've got to be a bit careful. You've got to eat lots of nice healthy foods, haven't you? Because they're good for your body and they're good for your teeth. So we'll do a little bit about that later. First of all, I thought we'd have a little chat about brushing. Because I'm going to tell you something that happened to me. I went in the bathroom to clean my teeth and I got my toothbrush out and I had a look at it and I thought, oh crumbs, it's a bit scruffy. Do you want to have a look?
Crumbs.
Do you know what these are called on your toothbrush?
Bristles.
Clever boy, well done. They're bristles. Now if the bristles on your toothbrush look like an elephant sat on it, like that, what do you need to do?
Clean it.
Can't clean it.
Get a new one.
You need to buy a new one, that's right, well done. So if your toothbrush gets a bit scruffy, you've got to throw it in the
bin
and buy a
new one.
So I thought, right, I'll go to town and I'll go and get a new brush for my teeth. So I went to this shop and I said to the lady in the shop, can I have a new brush please? Yes, she said, of course you can. So I gave her the money and she gave me a brush and I went home, went in the bathroom ready to clean my teeth. But actually, I was a little bit disappointed. Do you want to see why? Yes. She gave me a
paintbrush.
Is that right? Yeah. It's got bristles on. But would you clean your teeth with that?
Can't put toothpaste on it.
Oh, you can't, can you?
Can't paint it.
So, I thought, right, I know what I'll do. I'll go to another shop. So I went to a different shop and I said to the man in the shop, excuse me please, can I have a new brush? Yes, he said, of course you can. Gave him the money. He put my brush in a little bag and I took it home, went in the bathroom ready to clean my teeth. Really excited. I was a little bit disappointed. Do you want to have a look?
Yeah.
Is he right?
No.
It's a paintbrush, it's got bristles on, but would you clean your teeth with it?
It's a bit good, but not
It's a nice
right.
paintbrush, but it's not right, is it?
No.
Then I thought, I've got a really good idea.
I know.
I'll draw a picture of a toothbrush on a piece of paper, take it to the shop. Good idea?
Yeah.
Now, I'm not very good at drawing, but I've done my best. Okay, so this is my picture. See what you think. Does it look like a toothbrush?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you think? So I said to the lady in the shop, can I have one of these, please? And she took the piece of paper and she had a look. She said, I'll go and get you one. Really excited. Gave her the money, went home, went in the bathroom, ready to clean my teeth because I've got a toothbrush. Was a little bit disappointed. Do you want to have a look? Looked a bit like the picture, but would you want to clean your teeth with that? It's a bit prickly, isn't it? It's got, oh no.
It's got no bristles.
No bristles. No. So, I thought, where am I going to go? Where would you go if you wanted to buy?
Tesco's, you can buy your own one.
Can you buy them from Tesco's?
Yeah.
Really? Where else might you buy a toothbrush from?
From the tooth shop. From the tooth shop.
Yeah, from the toothbrush shop. Brilliant. Who do you go and visit that helps you to look after your teeth?
Dentist.
So I thought I'll go and visit my dentist, see if they've got any toothbrushes. And they did. Ta-da!
No.
Is it a toothbrush?
No.
What's it got to have?
Bristles. Yeah.
What colour is it?
Orange.
Is this one a grown-up's or a children's toothbrush?
Children.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Wow. I brought a different one and we're going to have this one I'm going to get out of the bag is a blue one. Now,
A
have look.
baby one.
It's not a baby one. Which one now do you think is the children's? Which colour do you think is the
Blue.
blue one? So what would the orange one be? A grown-up's or a children? You see, when you get a big mouth like mine and you get big teeth, you can have a big brush like and you've only got little teeth, so you need a smaller brush. Now, we've got our toothbrushes, but what do we put on them?
Toothpaste.
And I brought some toothpaste, so we can have a look. What colour do you think it's going to be? Let's
It's a
see.
child one.
Shall I squeeze it?
No.
Oh, let me.
No.
A little bit.
Yeah.
We need to have a look what colour it is. So ooh.
Greeny white.
It is what?
Greeny
It's
white.
like a light green. What does toothpaste smell of?
Mint.
Minty. Let's
Mint.
have a look. Look, smell. Is it minty? Is it minty? Is it nice?
Yeah.
So toothpaste usually is minty, but sometimes you can get toothpaste that isn't minty. Does anybody know?
I have strawberry ones and mint. I have blueberry. I got one.
Do you want to have a smell of this one?
I
This?
have that one at home.
Do you?
Can I smell? Can I smell? Can I smell? Can I smell? I would love it.
Is it nice?
The minty ones.
In a moment, perhaps later. Don't get it on the end of your nose, will you? Did you want to have a smell? Do you want to smell it? Want to smell it? Brilliant. Did you smell? Now, you can either use minty. I like minty toothpaste and don't really like strawberry, but some children and some grown-ups like strawberry flavour. But if we do the minty one this time. Now, when you put toothpaste on your brush, does anybody know how much you should use? How much toothpaste should you put on your toothpaste? Not a lot. A little bit, about the size of a pea. Okay, not a big fat sausage. Right. So, I'll put the size of a pea on, and then you can have a look, so you'll know how much to use.
Can we brush our teeth?
That, well, you need to brush your teeth.
You can't have that.
That will clean all your upstairs teeth. Do you know where your upstairs teeth are?
Yeah.
And your downstairs teeth. Where are your downstairs teeth? That's it.
No.
And you don't need any more than that. That is enough. So, when you're going to clean your teeth, you need to do the size of a pea and not a big fat
Sausage.
So tonight, what have you got to do to your teeth?
Brush them.
So when you get your toothpaste, or mummy and daddy do it for you, you've got to say, I don't want a sausage, I only want a pea. Can you say that? I don't want a sausage, I only want a pea. So it makes us not eat and swallow toothpaste because they're not for tummies, okay? It's only for teeth. Brilliant. Okay, now we're going to pretend that we're going to get ready for bed. So wash your hands. Lovely. And wash your face. Fantastic. Get your pyjamas on. Arms in. Pull it. Get your toothbrush ready. Bit of toothpaste the size of a pea. Thank you. And we're going to do some tickling. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. You've got to do round and round. Right to the back. You've got to do some singing really while we're brushing, but pull your lips around. Going down that side. Right to the back. When you finish, swish your bubbles around your mouth like that. And then pretend to spit your bubbles out. But you don't rinse after brushing. So you brush, you spit, and you stop. And that means the toothpaste stays on your teeth a bit longer. Helps to make them a bit stronger. And then you can go to sleep. Good night. And then in the morning, when you get up, big stretch. In the morning, what do you need to do to your teeth?
Brush them.
Yeah, you need to brush them again. And before you go to bed. Brilliant. Give yourselves a big clap because you did some brilliant brushing. Fantastic. Now, you know lots and lots about looking after your teeth, but I've brought a very, very, very special friend of mine who's been learning a little bit about looking after his teeth. Would you like to meet him?
Yes.
Now, sometimes he can be a little bit naughty, but hopefully not this afternoon. So I'll put those away and then we'll get it out. Now, we might be asleep. Are you ready? Who do you think? Who do you think might be in there?
Dinosaur.
Do you think it's a dinosaur?
Pinocchio.
Well, what's on the bag?
Pinocchio.
What's on there?
Dinosaur.
So in the bag is a baby dinosaur. Now he's only little. He's only little, and he's very furry, and he's beautiful. And we've got to be really kind to him. So is that all right?
Yeah,
We've got to look after him, haven't we? Because he's very special. So, shall we see if he's awake? Now, his name is Flossosaurus, but we can call him Floss. So say, good afternoon, Floss.
Good afternoon, Floss.
Bit louder, really, because he's not woken up yet.
Good afternoon, Floss.
Brilliant. Okay, I think we've woken him up now. Shall I get him out?
Yeah.
He's upside down. Come on out.
Is it only a toy?
Oh.
Hey, I can go.
He's upside down. Right, are you ready? Now.
He's not tiny.
Did you hear a funny very, very big smile and he's got beautiful teeth. So are you ready? We'll get him out. Come on out, Floss. Come and say hello to everybody. Do you like him? He's nice, isn't he? Now, Floss has been learning a little bit about looking after his teeth. And last week we went to visit the dentist. Floss had never ever been before. So the dentist was having a look at his teeth and he said he's got to brush them a bit better. He wasn't brushing very well. And he said he's got to eat lots of nice healthy foods as well, didn't he? So Floss has been trying really hard. Now, last night I went out, didn't I? And I said to Floss, don't forget to clean your teeth before you go to bed. I hope he did. Do you think he did?
Yeah.
Shall we ask him? You ask him, say, did you clean your teeth last night?
Did you clean your teeth last night?
Did you clean your teeth last night before you went to bed? Uh-oh.
Your teeth were full.
Did you brush them this morning before we went to work? Oh. Shall we have a look? Shall we have a look at your teeth? Open wide. Come on. Let me see. Perhaps if you say please, he might.
Please.
Say a bit wider.
Please.
Well, they don't look too bad. I'll have a little smell. Are you ready? No, but you see, if you don't clean your teeth, Floss, you get a bit pongy. Now, I think actually before we take you home, we ought to give your teeth a brush, didn't we? Did you bring your toothbrush? Where is it? You've got it, have you? It's not up there, is it? What do I just...
He might eat in it.
Oh, I know where it is.
In his mouth.
No. What did Floss put
In
in?
his dinosaur bag.
Do you want to see if you can find it?
I'll find it.
Is that a big toothbrush? I think that's yours, isn't it?
No, it's not.
Do you think it's mine?
No.
Do you think it's Floss's?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually we bought him this nice new toothbrush because his had got a little bit scruffy. Now the dentist said that I've got to help you brush, haven't I? Because Floss is only 4 years old.
We are. I'm 5.
And because he's 4,
Of course you are.
he's not old enough like you to brush teeth yourself. You can brush them first and then get a grown-up to do it as well. So, are you ready? Now, Floss, the dentist said you've got to clean your teeth. Does anybody know what the pink bit's called next to your teeth?
Good.
Clever girl. We've got to tickle our gums
He.
and make them
My
giggle.
mummy did that.
Does she? That's
And my
lovely.
daddy doesn't.
Okay, never mind. Mummy's good. Are you ready? Right, Floss. Now, sensible brushing all over. Are you ready? Now, you have to put it in your mouth, don't you? All right, okay. He's been a bit silly, isn't he? Right. Now you have to do it properly. That's nice. But no, don't bite your no. Now I think I'll do them. Shall I do them? I think he's a bit tired actually. Right, okay, we're going to give some nice tick. Oh, that's lovely. Well done, Floss. We're pushing all the way around. It's super duper. Now, this bit is a bit tickly because when we brush our teeth, we've got to tickle on the inside of our teeth as well and get them all clean. That's beautiful. And can you see his big bumpy back teeth like you've got?
Yeah.
These are the ones that we do our chewing with. So we're going to give those a really good clean and get all the bits out. Oh, is that done? Have we finished?
Yeah. The bottom.
Oh, the bottom what?
Downstairs.
Wow, the downstairs one. Yeah, but I could do with somebody to help.
Me.
I think I might. What's your name?
Callie.
Tally. Would you? Callie.
Callie.
Callie, would you like to come and help? And just give Floss's teeth a bit of a brush. Come and stand next to Gina. That's lovely. Right, now Floss, this is Callie, and she's going to brush your downstairs teeth. Oh, sorry. He's a bit silly, isn't he? Right, keep your mouth open while Callie brushes. Can you brush all round, Callie, for me? Do you brush your teeth at home? Good girl. Does Mummy and Daddy help you? Yeah, that's lovely. Because it's not just you, but a grown-up too, you know, when you're brushing your teeth. And that side, beautiful. Do you think Callie's doing really well?
Yeah.
Beautiful brushing. Thanks, Callie. Shall we give her a big round of applause? Thank you. And we might have another one, actually. Shall we have somebody else out? Oh, let's see. We'll have a little girl this time because we had a boy. Oh no, we had a girl, didn't we? We'll have to have a little boy. What's your name?
Austin.
Austin. Austin. Come on then, Austin. Got some snazzy socks on, Austin. There we are. Do you want to come round to Gina? That's it. Are you ready? Are you good at brushing dinosaur teeth? Lovely. It'll be ever so good for you, Austin, because he likes you. Do you like Austin? That's lovely. Beautiful brushing. Do you do your teeth at home? Yeah. Does your mummy and daddy help you as well? Sometimes. Do you brush them before you go to bed? Well done. Shall we give Austin a big clap? Brilliant. Well, I'm going to ask your lovely teacher if she would like to choose the last person to come out.
I want to sat really nicely on their bottom and listening carefully. Oh, Edie, would you like to have a go?
Come on then, Edie. I don't think Edie's got any teeth, have you, Edie? Oh, what's happened, Edie?
I got 2 teeth falling.
You haven't you? Did the tooth fairy come? I'd like to have been the tooth fairy. Do you think I would be alright as a tooth fairy? I'd like to fly too. I'm too big though. Right, you ready? Give him a brushy. That's beautiful. Can you do his big bumpy back teeth? That's fab. Don't forget, all your teeth need brushing. Upstairs and downstairs. Big bumpy teeth. And all the ones at the front as well. And how many minutes do we need to clean our teeth for? 2 minutes, that's all. We need to do 2 minutes brushing our teeth. Shall we give her a big clap? That is beautiful. Thank you. Now, let's see. Open wide. Oh, that's better. His teeth are so much nicer. Do they look better? Yeah. So, what's Floss got to do tonight?
Brush our teeth.
And what have you got to do tonight?
Brush our
And
teeth.
what have I got to do tonight?
Brush your teeth.
Brilliant. So you're going to be my brilliant bedtime brushers. Okay? So you've got to make sure that before you go to bed, your teeth are nice and
Clean.
brilliant. Okay, now, when I took Floss to the dentist, we did learn a little bit as well about some happy foods. And the dentist told us that some foods can make our teeth a bit grumpy.
Why is it
Because they've got what inside?
Sugar.
Sugar, good boy. Would you like to see what Floss and I went to the supermarket and bought?
Yeah.
Okay, right, let's see. Would Floss be alright sitting here?
Yeah.
Will you make sure he's nice and safe and look after him? Don't go anywhere, Floss. You've got to stay there. He's a good boy. Don't fall off. I think I might put his toothbrush down there. Is that okay? Now, we went to the supermarket and we bought some food, okay? And we found out when we went to the dentist said that if food's got sugar in it can be a bit sticky and sticky on your teeth. And that can make our teeth a bit grumpy. We don't want grumpy teeth, do we?
I want happy teeth.
We do want happy teeth. So, the dentist said if food doesn't stick to our teeth as much, then it can make our teeth nice and happy. So, in my bag, we've got some bits.
Apples.
Ooh,
Apples.
perhaps I might choose somebody to come out and pick something out of my bag. And we'll find out if it's going to be making our teeth happy or a bit grumpy and sad. Do you like my special board? Wow. What's on there? Tooth, yeah. And this is very special because we're going to find out if the foods we've got in the bag stick to the tooth because they can make our teeth sad, or they come off and they'll make our teeth
Happy.
brilliant. Are you ready? I'm going to choose. What's your name? Lauren. Come on then, Lauren. Would you like to choose something? And show everybody what you've picked and then we'll Have a look, see if we know. Oh, do you know what it is, Lauren? Just show everybody. Does anybody know what that is?
Melon.
Clever girl, it's a watermelon. Now, do you think there's any sugar in a watermelon?
No.
Do you think it's nice and healthy?
Yeah.
So if you eat it, do you think your teeth are going to be really happy?
Yeah.
So do you think it's going to stick or do you just think it's going to slide?
Slide.
Go on then. Whoa! It did! It didn't stick. So would it make our teeth happy?
Happy.
Yeah, and you can eat watermelon whenever you like. Thank you very much. That was fantastic. Oh, would you like to come and choose one? What's your name?
Noah.
Noah. Come on then, Noah. Put your hand in there. Don't fall in the bag, Noah, will you? Noah, what have you got?
Banana.
A banana. Do you think there's any sugar in a banana?
Yes. No.
Do you think it makes our teeth happy?
Yeah.
Or sad?
Happy.
So is it going to stick or slide?
Slide.
Go on then, Noah. Whoop!
Happy.
Okay. Came off. So would that make teeth happy or sad?
Happy.
Yeah. So you can eat bananas whenever you like. And I think you actually like bananas, don't you? Because you're little monkeys. Is that true? We're going to pick... Oh, what's your name? Esme. Would you like to come and choose out of our bag, Esme? Come on then. Put your hand in there, Esme. See what you can find. Oh, now you've got two. Show everybody what you've got.
Strawberry.
No. What are those?
Lollipop.
Do you think there's any sugar in lollipops?
Yeah.
So would they make teeth happy or grumpy or sad?
Grumpy.
So is it going to stick or slide?
Stick.
Shall we see?
Stick.
It did stick. So if we're having lollies, what does it mean it's got in? Sugar. So put your hand up if you like lollies. Yeah. Doesn't mean you can't have them, but it's best to have them at meal times. So if you're hungry and it's not a dinner time or tea time, don't eat lollies. But if it is after a meal, then you can have your lolly. Is that okay? Thank you very much. Let's choose. Little boy there, what's your name? Liam. Would you like to come, Liam? You're going to come and pick something out of my special bag.
Roundy.
Roundy, yep, that's it. Put your hand in, Liam. Let's see show everybody what you've picked. Oh, wow, what have you got, Liam?
I
No?
can't see.
Shall we have a look? Shall we show everybody?
Jelly beans.
Jelly beans. Do you like jelly beans? Hold them up then. Are you ready? Now, do you think they've got sugar in?
Sugar.
I think you might be right. So are they going to stick or slide?
Stick.
Yeah, so they've got sugar in. So should we eat those all the time?
No. Only at meal time.
Fantastic. Good boy. Well done.
Pudding.
Yes, like a pudding. Fantastic.
Like big boxes.
What's your name?
Finley.
Come on then, Finley. Finley has... Have you brought your teeth with you, Finley? Are you sure? Oh, you've got nice... How many teeth have you got, Finley?
6.
Oh, okay. I think you've got a few more than that, you know. Do you know how many teeth you should have?
No. 60.
20.
Ah!
It's like fingers and toes. 10 upstairs and 10 downstairs. Show everybody what you've got then, Finley.
Carrot.
Is it going to be good for our teeth?
Yeah.
Has it got sugar in?
No.
So is it going to stick or slide?
Slide.
You're right, it didn't stick. So would it make our teeth happy
Happy.
or sad?
Happy.
Thank you, Finley. That was very helpful. Lovely. And then we're going to choose. What's your name? Evie. Evie sat so quietly. Evie, I nearly forgot you were there. Are you coming out?
I only picked beer.
Put your hand in. Let's see if Evie's... Oh, now Evie, do you know what that is? Show everybody, they might know.
Oh, I know.
What is it, Finley?
Oh, Coke.
It is. It's fizzy pop.
Yeah.
Has it got sugar in?
Yeah.
Is it good for our teeth?
No.
We've got to try not to drink fizzy drinks every day, and especially not before we go to bed.
Or you get drunk.
Or you
Night.
might be make your teeth a bit grumpy. Right, now, do you think it's going to stick or slide?
Stick.
Shall we see? Yeah. because it's got lots of,
Honey,
and it can make our teeth a bit. Thank you very much, good girl. And what's your name?
Sophia.
Sophia. Okay, would you like to come and pick Sophia? Okay. Oh, now Sophia, what have you got? What's that?
Orange.
Do you think an orange has got sugar in?
No.
And do you think it's going to make our teeth happy or sad?
Happy.
Can you eat them anytime?
Yeah.
Let's see if it's going to stick or slide. Oh, is it stuck? Whoa. No. So does that make your teeth happy? So you can eat oranges as your snack. Does anybody have an orange as a snack?
No.
Yeah, I think you've got lots of fruit for your snacks sometimes,
We
don't
always
you?
have oranges.
We've got a few left. Let's see. What's your name? Neve. Neve, would you like to have a turn, Neve? Oh, now Neve, what have we got?
No. I know.
Who likes donuts?
No.
I do too. It's not got any sugar in though, has it?
Yeah.
No, it hasn't.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh no! It's stuck.
I told you.
Oh. So, if you were going to give me a donut, would I eat it now or after tea?
After tea.
Fantastic. For pudding, that's right. Good girl. Okay, let's. Oh, now. Got a couple of things left. Ooh. Who's not had a turn at anything yet? What's your name? Charlie. Come on then. Oh, I like that name, Charlie. There you are, Charlie. What? Oh,
Strawberry.
who likes strawberries? Now I think there's sugar in strawberries.
Yeah.
I think they make your teeth really.
Told you.
Oh, wow! So can I eat strawberries whenever I like?
Yeah.
Brilliant. What will they make my teeth, happy or sad?
Happy.
That's right. Okay.
Sad.
Oh, we've got two left. Who's not had a go at anything? And what's your name? Jessica. Is she?
No.
No, just Jessica. Come on then. What you got then? Oh, now you said you liked that.
Ice cream.
I think ice cream's very good for our teeth.
No. A little bit.
Hasn't got any sugar in at all.
Has it?
No, it's going to slide, isn't it? So we can eat ice cream all the time.
But it is a bit wet.
Is it sticking?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what does that mean?
We have to eat it after dinner.
Well
For
done.
pudding.
For pudding. And actually, if you have an ice cream after your dinner for pudding, then your teeth don't mind too much. But should we eat lots of it?
No. Yeah.
We've got one left.
Maybe a bit of the cone or the ice cream.
Yeah, maybe. This is mine. This is for me. Have you not had, what's your name? Have you had a turn, Eve? Would you like to, I'm going to let you have my one. Do you want to come here?
Ow.
What is it?
Cherry.
No?
Apple.
Apple. Now, do you think it's good for teeth?
Yeah.
Did it slide or stick?
Slide.
So, if we like things that have got sugar in, it doesn't mean we can't have them. It's just best to have them after a meal, like a pudding. But if you've got something that doesn't have sugar in, it means that you can eat it anytime. Brilliant. Now, on there, you did brilliantly, but there's two drinks that I really, really think are good for teeth. I might just have a little bit of it now.
Water. It's water.
Water. Is water good for our teeth?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what's the other drink? It's white. Comes from a
Milk.
cow milk. Now you can drink milk and water till it comes out your ears. Because it's really good for bodies and it's brilliant for your teeth. Well done. So, if we're going to have sugary foods, eat them like a pudding after. Yeah. Well done. Give yourselves a big clap. So, when we go shopping now, Floss and I always make sure that we've got lots of happy snacks for our teeth so that we can enjoy those things whenever we like, and we know our teeth are not going to get grumpy. Because when we go and visit the dentist, they're going to be looking at your teeth, aren't they, to make sure they're nice and healthy. Now, has anybody not been to visit the dentist before?
I haven't.
No. Well, I thought before we finish,
Got a book to read.
yeah, we could dress somebody up as the dentist and dress somebody up as the dental nurse, and we could have a patient. What do you think? Shall we? Right, okay. Let's see what we've got. I'm going to move those out of the way because they might get a bit messy. Just put those over here.
What's in that box?
That's just my special box. Now, in here,
Dress-up play.
dressing up. Now, when you go and visit the dentist, they usually have a uniform on, don't they?
Yeah,
like I've got on. So, if we're going to have a dentist, we need something for the dentist to wear. So here we are. We've got our dentist coat. So somebody's going to wear our dentist coat, and then we've got a dental nurse's coat. So somebody's got to wear that. And now when you come and visit the dentist
Glasses.
puts glasses on the patient. So if you're the patient, you might need to wear the special. Yeah.
Patient.
You'd like them.
I want to be
And
the patient.
what does the dentist and the nurse put on their gloves?
Oh, gloves.
Oh, what do they put on their hands? I just said it, didn't I? Glove. Oh, silly Gina. They put gloves on, don't they? So we need some gloves. Have we got? Oh, we have got some gloves. We need a pair for the nurse,
We got some.
and we need a pair for the
Got
dentist, don't we? So we've got some for the nurse and some for the dentist. And we also, now the dentist might tell you how to clean your teeth. So in this special box, some funny teeth.
Banana has them. Shatter teeth.
And I've got. Shall we take it out?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you're the dentist, then you might show the patient how to clean their teeth, because that'd be quite good, wouldn't it? So we might need that. And the patient has an apron on. Okay, so you might have to put an apron on to keep you nice and clean. So if you're the nurse, then you might have to put that on the patient. But don't worry, because I'll help you. But I have got something a bit funny in here. Oh, here we go. Does anybody know what that is?
No. A sticker.
No. What is that?
A picture of teeth.
Yeah. Does anybody know what that special picture's called? Begins with the letter X.
X-ray.
Yeah, it's an X-ray, and they're X-ray of some teeth. So the dentist might have a look at your dental X-ray, and then we need a mirror, don't we, for the dentist to look at your teeth.
I'm a tiny one.
Now we're not going to put it in anybody's mouth because it's not clean enough, but we can do pretend, can't we? Is that all right?
Yeah, how about we can do that?
Yeah. Now the dentist might need to wear his special glasses. These are a bit funny. Do you want me to try them on? Not quite right. What you do is we've got a visor to stop anything going in the dentist's eyes when he's really busy working. Because he might be polishing your teeth if you're the patient. So the dentist might need to put his special visor on. Look.
Hello, Miss Dentist.
So if you're the dentist, you might need to put that on as well. So, okay. Now, usually when you come to the dentist, you have to go in the waiting room. And what do you do in the waiting room?
No, don't wait and look at a book.
You do. So, we have got, we should have some, look. got some books for our waiting room. So we've got, oh, I know why I brush my teeth. And where's your smile? Crocodile. So we've got those in our waiting room. So perhaps our patient will sit in the waiting room before they come and visit the dentist. There we are. So can we have the waiting room here? Okay. And then if you're the patient, you're just going to have a seat there. And then this can be where the dentist works, and I'm going to help you. So the dentist is going to sit the patient here, and then we're going to put them the apron on. All right. Now, who am I going to choose for my dentist? Oh, I think we might have a lady dentist, actually. Shall we have a lady dentist? Because that would be fantastic. And I'm going to choose, what's your name?
Jessica.
Would you be all right to be the dentist, Jessica? Now, you have to be really kind, and you have to say hello to the patient. Will you be all right doing that? Okay, so, oops, everything's falling off. Oh, it's beautiful. I love your hair.
My mummy did.
No, you've got lovely hair, haven't you? We'll have to be a bit careful. Right, you just need to put your arm through there. That's fantastic. And your arm through there. Oh, look at you! You look like the dentist now. Now, okay. Would you like the gloves on? Yes, you do. Come on. You need to put your... Oh, yes. Right, ready? Do you think we'll get them? Are you ready? Go. Oh.
2 in there.
There's 2 in there. Have you done it?
1 full.
Yeah, that's fantastic. Well done, you. Other glove? Yeah, so okay. Now when the patient comes in, okay, are you right? Then we will make sure that you've got to say good afternoon, and you've got to have a look at their teeth, and you've got to sort of remind them to brush. Right, is that okay? Is that comfortable? Right, I think we'll have a boy dental nurse, okay? We're going to have, let's have, who would you like?
Austin.
Austin is going to be the dental nurse. Now, Austin, do you make nice coffee? If you're the dental nurse, no, can you make a cup of tea? Oh, okay, well you can still be the dental nurse. Right, put your arm in. Ready? Okay, you've got to work really hard, Austin, because you've got to help the dentist. Is that all right? Now, would you like the gloves on, Austin? You don't want to, do you not need them on, do you? No, okay, we'll let the dentist wear them then. Right, so when we're ready, you've got to pass everything that the dentist needs. Is that okay? Right, okay, we need a patient, don't we? Now, if you're the patient, you've got to open your mouth really wide. Do you think you'll be able to do that?
Yes.
All right, okay. Shall we move, we'll move those out of the way. Yeah, shall we? And then we've got a little bit more room. You ready? Fantastic.
Sticker fold off.
You saw them. Right, you ready?
Fold off.
We need, oh, Floss! What's happened to him? Oh no. Oh, shall we? We'll sit in there. I think he falls a bit high up. That's better. Right, let's have a look for our patient then. Okay. Yeah. Now we need. Who's got a big mouth? Oh, let's see how big you are. Oh, crumbs. I think we might have Finley. Shall we have Finley? Because Finley's got quite a big mouth. It's really good. Right, Finley. Now, would you like to have a seat in our waiting room, Finley? And I'll come and get you in a moment. You can read our book if you'd like. Hello, Finley. Have you got an appointment to see the dentist? All right. Would you like to read our book? And I'll tell the dentist that you're here. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Your patient is here. Would you like to see Finley now? Yes? Okay. Right. Do you want to go and fetch him? Say, come with me.
Finley, come with me.
Right, sit him on. Say, sit here, please. Say good afternoon. Right, do you want to get the apron for him? Thank you. That's lovely. Oh, did it stuck to the floor? Right, you need to put it on. Are you ready? Can you do that? Ready? Okay, you ready? Hold. Right, okay, you ready? Oh, he's are you alright? Are you sneezing? Can you give me the glasses to put on, please? No, you have to, yeah, you pass them to Finlay, that's it. Finlay, can you put the glasses on, please?
Looks like a bunny.
And you say, can I have the mirror?
A patient. Can I have the mirror?
So give that to the dentist so she can have a look. Right, so open wide. Just pretend, that's lovely. How many teeth has he got? About 20. You know, say you need to brush him a bit better.
Need to brush them a bit better.
Right, give the mirror back to the nurse and get the teeth. That's it, and then you can that's it. It's a very busy patient. Right, give that to the dentist and the teeth, please, and then show the patient how to clean them. So push them like this.
Mouth.
That's lovely. So push them at night. And how much toothpaste should he put on his brush? Not a sausage?
No.
Lovely. Just
Or
say,
the size of your brush.
you could do. Say, can I have the x-ray, please?
Can I have the X-ray, please?
Just check his x-ray to make sure his teeth are right. Hold it up. That's it. Does it look all right?
Yeah.
Yeah, say, we'll see you in 6 months.
6 months.
Lovely. Say, would you like a sticker?
Would you like a sticker? What's a sticker? Are they real stickers? Yeah, the master.
Are you going to give him a sticker? I think you might need to take his apron off.
I love dinosaurs. I love dinosaurs. That's not a dinosaur. I love
Oh, right, that's it. Give him a snake. So, pop that on his shirt. Say, thank you for coming.
He's got a real one.
Right, you're going to take him back to the waiting room now.
Stickers now.
Can you take him back to the waiting room, please? Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say goodbye to the dentist.
Bye-bye.
Lovely. Shall we give him a big round of applause? The best dentist, nurse and patient I've had for ages. Well done. So when you go and visit the dentist, they might have gloves or a mask on. They might have x-rays to show you. They might show you how to clean your teeth. All you need to do is open your
Mouth.
Brilliant. Okay. Now, you've all sat beautifully. And because you've all been super, I think Floss and I would like to give you all a sticker this afternoon. So perhaps before you go home, if I count how many stickers we need, you can wear your sticker, and when you go home tonight, you can tell mummies and daddies and grandmas and granddads all about looking after your
Teeth.
Brilliant. Well done, everybody. You sat beautifully. Thank you. Right, okay, we're going to have a story now about visiting the dentist. And this is a story about a little monster called Molly who needs to go to the dentist like all of us should. So here we are. Let's see what happens. So, this is a story by Angie Sage. And this is when Molly was a baby. How many teeth did she have? Okay, so let's have a look. So, okay, let's see. She didn't have any teeth, did she? So we don't have teeth when we're babies because we don't need them because we use them for eating. So how many has she got now? Oh look, now she's got 2 shiny white teeth and they're like little monster teeth. Can you see them? Okay, let's find out what happens. And because she's got teeth and you've got teeth, we need to go and visit the dentist. So Molly and her mum go to show the dentist Molly's teeth. And there's Molly and her mummy and a funny looking little cat. And there we've got a big blue door. What sort of a door handle has it got? Yes, right, that's a toothbrush. And somebody's peeping, so who do you think that might be? Oh, shall we have a look and see? Here's the dentist. And this is Dr. Brushwell. Hello, Molly, says the dentist. I'm Dr. Brushwell. Does your dentist look like that? I think he's a special monster dentist, actually. So, what lovely teeth, says Dr. Brushwell. Can I have a closer look? So, the dentist has taken Molly into the dental surgery, and there she sat on the dentist's chair, and it goes up a bit and back a bit, and Molly needs to open her mouth really, really wide. Do you think she's going to do that? Let's have a look and see. No, says Molly. Oh dear, she's not going to open her mouth for the dentist. Won't be able to see her teeth if she doesn't open her mouth, will he? Let's see what happens next. Shall we both look at your teeth with this tiny mirror? Dr. Brushwell asks. So when we visit the dentist, they're not going to put a big mirror in our mouths, they're only going to put a tiny, tiny little mirror. And it's a bit like a little spoon. And I think I've got one here in my pocket. And this is the dentist's mirror. And it fits in your mouth, really easy. And the dentist can count all your teeth. All you need to do is open your mouth nice and wide. So, do you think Molly might open her mouth now? Let's have a look. Yes, smiles Molly. Brilliant, says the dentist. So we can count Molly's teeth. And how many teeth did Molly have? That's right, 1, 2. And I think Molly's mum's really, really pleased that Molly's opened her mouth so the dentist can actually see inside her mouth. What do you think the dentist might give Molly to say thank you for opening her mouth so wide? Do you think it might be a sticker? No. Dr. Brushwell gives Molly a toothbrush to keep her teeth shiny and clean. Bye-bye, Molly, he says. Brush well. Bye, says Molly, and off she goes home. What do you think she might do when she gets home? Do you think she might clean her teeth? Shall we have a look? Molly can't wait to use her new toothbrush. I like going to the dentist, says Molly, but best of all, I like brushing my teeth. She's a bit of a messy monster when she's brushing, isn't she? And is that a pea or a sausage on there? I think it's a sausage. I think Molly needs to put the size of a pea on her brush. I hope you're not messy monsters, but I hope you visit the dentist and clean your teeth. Thank you.